All right, today I have a Chrysler Pacifica and I'm going to show you how to change the battery inside of the key fob. Okay, so the key fob has a battery inside, and occasionally the battery will get old and you won't be able to use it anymore because the key fob won't be working properly. So you're going to have to replace it. And so in order to replace it, you just take the key fob and you'll have to remove the physical key. So I'm going to have to see this button right here on the side of the key fob. I'll take it, press it, and it comes out. You see this? And once it comes out, I'll just take the key, and if you look right here on the key fob, there's actually placed on the slide like a slot. You just take the key fob and kind of put some room in that and wiggle it open a little bit like this, and you'll notice that the key fob separates. Okay, when it separates, you can go ahead and put the key in, take it on, and pry it open a little bit more, like this. And once you do that, go ahead and set the physical key down, take this out, and the battery is exposed right here. In order to get this out, you'll see that there's a notch right here, and so I'll pick up the physical key again. See, there's a notch right here. What I'll do is I'll take the physical key, and I'll put the key down in there a little bit and just kind of wedge the battery out. Once I got the battery out, you'll see that the model of it is called a CR2032. You see, it's located on that. So I'll take this, discard of this battery properly, get the new battery, bring it in, and remember, you have the plus side. You make sure that the positive side is facing upwards towards the heavens, okay? So what you do is you'll take the new battery and you'll slide it in. You have to slide it in this way so it goes underneath this latch. And then once it's slid in there, nice, you'll go ahead and press the battery down. It's locked into place. And go ahead and put the cover back on just like this. Snap it. And then take the key and put it back into place like that. All right, cool. I hope this video has been helpful. Hope you're able to change your battery. Thanks a lot for watching.